Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to add pie chart using Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, launch the app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and tap on Create New Design through the little plus sign at the bottom of your screen, or you can use your recent design. Open your recent design. Then all you have to do is look for the elements from the bottom of your screen and look for charts. Then you're gonna find charts option. There you have to scroll down and find the pie chart. There are two types of pie charts. You have to select one. Then you have to fill in the data from there, or you can add data from the file you have saved in your phone. And guys, that's it. That's how you add pie chart using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.